here from the Greenery Gift and Home Shop. We have some special days coming up here in the next couple of months. We have Memorial Day, we have Flag Day, we have the 4th of July, where you might need some great red, white, and blue accessories for your home, maybe your tablescape, maybe a gift. So let me show you a few things that we have in the store. So first of all, the tablescape that I've done here is obviously a lot of red, white, and blue, which is very patriotic. We have this wonderful placemat called Stars and Stripes, and we have one called Star Spangled, and then we have a really cute fun one that would be great for a picnic for the 4th of July. Look at the snow cones, isn't that great? Some of the other things that we have that are not really stars and stripes but will go with the coordination of the red, white, and blue. We have some really fun little red and blue flowered napkins, both cocktail size and guest size. And then they coordinate with these great, wonderful paper lanterns. You can hang those on a porch, maybe out in a tree somewhere if you're having a wonderful picnic. And then some other items that we have that have been real popular are our stars. This is a great white light up star that runs on little batteries, and you can set these all around your house or maybe down your table for a fun light up tablescape. And then we also have these great taper candle holders that are stars. They're fun for a table. And then also, if you're into flowers, we've got these great vases. They're red, white, and blue striped, pretty glass vases, and I've added some carnations, red and white carnations in them. It's a great little size vase to put on your table or a bedside table. And then we also have some other napkins that I want to show you. These are real pretty, blue and white, red and white striped napkins. And then for a fun little accessory, these are great. Got some great little flag earrings, dangly earrings. We have a great little change purse. Isn't that cute? Or you can also use, this is called a club bag. It's a crossbody bag. And that's a great little flag bag that you can take maybe to the beach, just to hold your phone or a wallet. Anyway, lots of great stuff. So come on in and help us celebrate.